I'll tell you a little bit more about this installation a little bit later on. Top dressing. One bag in, 19 more to go. So before you put your turf in position, make sure that you've got the orientation correct. So you want the blades of the grass facing the residents, so when they look out the window they don't have a glare back at them. I suppose you've got to choose between the roadside and the residents. Yes, we've tried an abundance of different ways to get the resin onto the haunch, and it seems like your best option is a high quality painting brush. Alright people, so the artificial turf section of this project is complete.